Hello everyone, today is November 12 and it's still cloudy in our area. I hope it will not rain. So the storm just passed here in the Philippines. My location is Silang, Cavite, Philippines. So the storm Uwan was not that strong in our area because it's not really constantly raining, but the wind is very strong. So now the sun shines bright here in my veranda area, and I just want to give an update after the storm Uwan. So I think there's no casualty, so let's just take a look around the veranda area if they are okay. So what happened to my mule is that this pot fall not because of the strong wind of Uwan, but because of the cat. Yeah, and also actually there are three bills. This one, our Braveheart, our Star Valley, and our mule. This pot was tumbled down by the cat. So I don't own a cat, I only have dogs, but I don't know. They visit my garden too. So this is our Tito Band. So our Tito Band, if you could remember, it had a crown knot before, and now it's giving us offset on the inner rosette where we remove the leaves. So our far pillar is okay. And if you can see, there are weeds. I haven't cleaned them up. So our Dionysius is already recovering from the too much water. So look what happened. That's the edema created by too much water. We have our Apus. At the back we have our three-head Braveheart, our Morning Beauty. The weeds are really there. So I'll clean up. I'll set a time to clean them up. And I have here another Apus. Then we have our small fire pillar, our Amazing Grace, our cactus, and I'm not sure if it is icy green. And we have our Orion, our Star Valley, our Marilyn. We have our Hawartia there. So this is our Hawartia, our Marilyn, and our Star Valley. They are okay. On the table, before we go ahead, there on that side we have our Echiversit veil. Still the same. Half of the pot is quite stressed, half the pot is not. Our Gymnocalcium variegated and non-variegated are okay, and our family of Triton is okay. Yeah, look how pretty is the small rosette. And he is our new propagation, the one we caught from the cleaning up of the succulents last week or 2 weeks ago, and I potted it and it survived the rainy days. Yeah, even the storm Uwan. So there, this is Sedum clavatum, 2 pots. This is Aron Bay, Sedum clavatum, Aron Bay, and Agavoid. We have here our Chloe. There are 3 pots of Chloe, 1 potted in a clay pot and 2 in a white plastic pots. So let's go back there. We have our Tinkle Bell, yeah, and then we have our Aloe, Cat's Glow, our Sedum Cavatum, Luella, Amazing Grace. This is our Laon, and this is our Amabil, our Cactus. I don't know the ID. So on the table we still have our Elephant Bush, Jaylet. We have our Winter Jasmine, our Arze. So the stress color is gone. This one is not really looking good. This one is our Red Blush. So this one, it becomes 3 head before it's only 1 rosette. So I'm planning to cut these And there's millibugs. Yeah, I have to spray alcohol there. And this is our cheesecake. Some rosettes are okay, some are not. This one is trying to survive. Look at our mini bell, and it has an offset there, but the stress color is gone. And look what happened to our pink Tinkerbell, infested by fungus. See, the moment I touched the leaves, it fell. So frustrating and stressed. So anyway, we have to move on. This is our fire stick. I'm trying to make it bonsai. And this is our arunpi. So our bluebird, this one does not survive. This one, even this one are black prince. This one is thriving. This one is still okay. Look what happened to our topsy-turvy. You know, I'm having a hard time this year because of the rainy days. It becomes, before it was only 3 months every year, and now it becomes 6 months, I think. Until December we have La Nina here. Typhoon Uwan just left the Philippines, but now it's coming. There's another typhoon coming, so I don't know if my succulents would really survive. But I'm really praying and hoping. So we still have here our beautiful Echeveria Ariel. I think Apus, Benemusume. This one, I think it's having crown rat, yeah. So I have lots of things to clean up. This is Choco Moonstone, and the other rosette are there. Look, infested by fungus. And then we have our Echeveria Silk Veil, our peach candy. Some rosettes are okay, some are infested by fungus. Too much water. We have here our Nevada, our Orion, our cactus. So the reality in a garden, there's always weed. So this is our blue cloud, our dusty rose, Apus, our pots pink, it's getting lost at the back. Our Murasaki, look, it's getting bigger, the clumping rosette. This is our Chloe. So this is our Chloe, and this is our Echeveria Silk Veil, our Apus, our Valentine. No, this is wedding ring. This is Amabile. This is Bloody Rose, Agavoids, Sedum Adolphi, Peach and Pride, and Choco Moonstone, Suyon, and one of my pot here is missing, the Crescent Red Eyes. I think it fell. Yeah. So I haven't get down there. So I'll check if the Crescent Red Eyes toy. I'll check it out later. So and update you. So this one is the cactus. It's still alive, although it's bending down. So we have here Agavoids, 2 Agavoids, Fat Beauty, our Psyche, Hera, Valentine, and our Echeveria Silk Veil. So on this side, Cheesecake is trying to survive, our Love and War. So I'm so sorry for the weeds. This is our Bill's Baker, Star Cactus, our Hakoho, Purple July, Chroma. So one did not able to survive. And look, our Purple Champagne. And this is our, I forgot the ID, this is Cheesecake. This one I'm not so sure. White Rose. Yeah, I think this is Murasaki. So on this side, they don't look so pretty. So Purple Haze, Echeveria Silk Veil, Aquarius. So it becomes 2 head. We have Apus, our Hera. Look at the babies, it's big already. So there are dried leaves. Lots. I really have lots of things to clean up here. We have a coho. So I think it's drizzling now. So I have to be fast. So this one, I'm not so sure of the ID. This one is our cassius, Chloe, and peach candy, I think. Tito Bonds, cactus, psych, Echeveria silk veil, ghosty. So I think I won't go one by one because it's drizzling already. So I just have to go along and let's take a look at it. So I would be fast. So I think some parts here are missing too on the very end. Here, I think 3 parts are missing. So I have to check it down. I just hope my little chubby did not play on the pot and our pink Kalanchoe here is missing also. But look at our hybrid agavoids. They are still colorful in spite of the rainy days, right? So pretty. So let's go back there because I wanted to share the one on the rock. So there are lots of things to fix in my garden. So I just recently recovering from the flu that I have and my kids. So the Asophytomaceras and other cactus, even the propagation path, they are okay. This rock is, you have the Tinkerbell, red bell, red blush, agavoids, Marcus, Murasaki, Jadieta, our Chloe, Murasaki, non-variegated supreme, Topseeder V, purple haze. They are okay. So this is our Sedum cravatum, 2 pots, purple haze, and our ghosty, our Arunpe, cheesecake, Gills Baker, Arunpe, Queen Victoria, Arunpe, ghosty, so the ghosty have fungus too, and our Sedum Adolphii. So this rock is okay too. Our habit ear, our Barcine, Echeveria silk veil, Arunpe, they are okay. Purple haze, red touch pink, common stone, our ghosty, our purple light, morphine, Arunpe, and our jade left. Okay, we have our purple delight, cactus. Look at the small flower, very cutesy. And look, our purple delight, it's very colorful. Look, in spite of the rainy days, it's colorful. So we have cactus, Orion, Echeveria, yeah. And look how beautiful this one, our purple delight. In spite of it's raining and it's about to rain again, so it's very colorful. So we have here one cactus, jewel phone, Myrinae, Shadieta, blue cloud, Chocomon stone, and our Prolifica. Very nice. The purple light look and the Prolifica looks very nice, right? And our other succulents, they are okay. So this rock is okay, and this is the other rock. We have the cactus there, Mule, Peach Beauty, Orion. Oh no, this is about to fall. Let's fix it. So this is the Mule, And this one, I do not know the ID, but it's colorful. We have here the Alga Voice and our purple champagne, so pretty. And sad to say, our far pillar, I think it will not be able to survive. But the stem is still hard. Yeah, we have to say goodbye. So stressed. I'm so stressed today. So this is our aloe. We still have our malibo. Yeah, our cactus. There. And prolifica again. So let's go to the next one. We still have here our beautiful Alba Beauty. And most of them are okay. We have our Madiba there. See? Pretty. Our Lucy Doom, Bainese, Firestorm. So they are okay. The cactus are also okay. So let's go to the next rock. They're okay. Fungus again on PVN. So let's go to the other rock. So they're okay. There are lots of weed. I'm so sorry, but I have one to share what happened after the O1. So I'm not really done fixing these pots really, and there are lots of work to do, and I'm the only one doing all the chores here in the garden, so there are lots. So I hope you understand that I cannot really clean up because I'm not a full-time gardener. I have chores to do in the house. I have to take care of my kids, bring them to school, fetch them, so like a typical mom. And then our aloes, we are okay. In fact, they are still flowering, and excuse me again for the weeds. And our lash pots, some are okay, some are not. So I think our Marfin was not able to survive, but our lower is getting on lash. So some are dying, some are okay. So we have here the Arunpei, Adolphi R, our Sedum clavatus, our Purple Delight, yeah, and excuse me for the weeds, and we have our Ghosty. And this is our Graptopetalum myrinae. So pretty to look at, right? And our Mendoza. Yeah, there are lots of weeds. So I'll just give time to clean them up. So let's go back on this side. We have our propagation pot of aloes, cactus, our Ellen. So it's a propagation pot actually, and we have our propagation of some succulents and cactus too. Here is our table. So our white mono doesn't look good. Our Firestorm is very okay and colorful. And we have our Beauty Lily, Japanese Rubin, White Mondo. I hope you can survive the pink puppets. We have here another Beauty Lily, our variegated Phosphosoro, and our Bianca. And look, there are 3 offsets that are big, so I'm planning to cut it. I hope it will not rain, go away. So this is our Missing You. It has offset 2 there. And our Opalina. This one doesn't not able to survive. Our Romeo Rubin is trying to survive, but it's losing the color. And this is our TP, our Spade Beauty, our Cheesecake, our Shade Plant, So our Chloe, yeah, this is how it look like on the table. And our leaf propagation are getting big. This is my money tree, and this is the propagation path. So there are some paths that fell from the veranda area going to the ground. The first on the garage area, so I'll check it out later. So there's no much casualty here in my garden in the veranda area, although some of the succulents are dying for getting too much water. So I hope they can still survive until next year, but most of them will survive, I know. So that's all my sharing for today. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe and share my video to my family, to your family, friends, and relatives. Bye for now. See you on my next video. Bye. God bless us all. Bye everyone. Happy gardening. Keep safe. Let's keep praying.